No. Hey there, and welcome to Arm & Hammer Summer Camp. I'm your craft counselor, Amber Kemp-Christelle, and today we are making a homemade kaleidoscope using a cardboard tube because, guys, I know you're fresh out of ideas for what to do with your kids right now. So here's what you're gonna need. Now that we've got all our supplies, let's get started. First up, I'm gonna grab this empty box of Arm & Hammer baking soda and cut it so that it lays flat. Now that we have the box laying flat, we're gonna grab a ruler and cut a rectangle out that's 1 inch shorter than our cardboard tube and 4 inches wide. Now we're gonna fold it into thirds and smooth the edges. We're gonna take our aluminum foil and cover the cardboard rectangle. We're gonna wrap this rectangle as tightly and smoothly as we can with the aluminum foil. That way, the surface is really reflective and it mirrors all of those beautiful colors from our kaleidoscope. Next, we're gonna fold the aluminum foil into a triangle and tape the ends together. Then, we'll slide it into the paper tube. Right now, our kaleidoscope tube is plain, so it's a great time for your kids to decorate it. For mine, I added some paint. You can use stickers. Empower your kids to have as much fun as they can with this one. Now, grab the flexible straw and cut off the bendy end. Position the straw so that the bendy end is hanging off the end of the tube and tape it into place. I'm gonna grab my white cardstock and cut a circle that's roughly 5 inches across. Then in the center, I'm gonna cut a circle that will fit over the straw. This is a good time to help the kids out. Make sure they're being safe with those scissors. Now that we've got that circle cut out, it's time to start decorating with markers. Have them color 1 circle, have them color 20 circles. How much time do you need to gather your thoughts? I know you need it. We're just about there. Take your circle, slide it over the end of the straw with the colored side facing the inside of the tube. All you gotta do now is hold it up to your eye and spin. Oh, so cool. This project was designed to keep your kids expressing themselves and their creativity. It took us about 30 minutes to make this project, which might just be enough time for you to finish those last 2 chapters on that book. Keep on coming back for more Arm & Hammer Summer Camp. We have lots more activities every day. See you later. Bye.